All of you are doing good. So this is a casual interaction to the members who are watching our videos. Just to know that any feedback you want to add, you can feel free to give me like a comment, whether you want to give any kind of suggestions or any compliments or any improvements. Please speak out so that it will be helpful for me to make better videos in coming days. I have some plan what to do in 2025. Based on your comments, definitely I will make certain amendments and we will keep interacting like once in a 2 months or once in a 1 month. Like that, I will plan for a 15-20 minutes of interaction to understand your requirements and what I can do or what kind of videos I can make it, and even existing videos, which one I can plan more for sharing on our YouTube community or WhatsApp channel. So for example, if you are following me on a WhatsApp channel, you can get a few updates there, and also you can also join. I'm sharing that WhatsApp channel, or if you go to WhatsApp channel and search Ganesh SAP SCM, you will find it. Let me see the message here. Hi. Thank you. Good morning, Shishel. Good morning, Sauvik. Good morning, Shabu. Good morning, Amit. So, how are the latest videos? Last few months, whatever the new videos we are uploading, are they? Are you getting some help from that, or any kind of inputs or any kind of comments you have? Please share. You can mention in a comment like any topics you are expecting. That also you can mention, or if you have any kind of inputs for me, like make these videos from these topics and all. So based on the demand and based on the requirement, I will make a plan. Yeah. And if you follow me on Instagram, right, there are a few job openings also keep posting because the person who is managing our Instagram, I gave certain kind of data. Yeah, flexible workflow. Yes, I'm updating that area. So let's hope in few weeks you will see the video on flexible workflow. Yeah, you can, if you closely following, right, if you close follow on YouTube and all, you see certain free links for Udemy courses also, you get it that. So if you search like interview preparation by Ganesh Padala, you will see these what are the important topics one has to prepare before going for interview. At the same time, you can also see that interview preparation, how to prepare for interview, and what are the different type of interviewers, subject based, resume based, requirement based. So interview preparation by Ganesh Padala. Any topic, whatever you learn, for example, flexible workflow by Ganesh Padala. If there is a video, you will get it. It is not at made means it will come in a couple of days. So any topic, whatever you're searching by Ganesh Padala, go to Google or go to YouTube and search so that you will find. Google is better because system can give you whether blog which I created, or else it can give you the video from YouTube. Okay, you can search in YouTube or you can search in blog links. Create end-to-end process. Yeah, if you follow our IDOC course on Udemy, you can see that end-to-end setup from the start to end. What are the different kind of things, partner profile or output type, everything I explained. IDOC course by Ganesh Padala. So regarding this Activate methodology, if you see that difference between SAP and Activate methodology is there. See, I inquired and even I worked on one Activate project at some level of project, and I spoke to a few experts who did in Activate multiple projects. Literally, I'm telling you that other than SAP best practices and clean core methodology, these kind of things, but 70-80% the process is quite similar. Compared to this one line, two lines, you go to my video, difference between SAP methodology and Activate methodology. That will give you a very good confidence for you, like what are the key differences you need to focus and all that will give you. So yeah, there are LSMWs, 2, 3 examples are there. As a consultant, you need to try for different transactions on your own and crack it. For every transaction, I don't think it is required for me to make LSMW for each transaction. You can focus on multiple transactions, how to do it and all. I have not started EWM videos, but if I make, you can update. And few people are asking that one. My specs, fortunately, I have not yet got any power. Still, it is anti-glare. Either when you watch mobile or when you see mobile or screen, if you use anti-glare, we can reduce the impact maybe few more months or few more years. That's why I use it, but not always. Every day I try to use at least 4 hours. I try to use complete time, but like right, when we don't have requirement, we don't study well. At the same time, I'm able to see, I'm able to see, so I'm not using continuously, but it's good to use anti-glare glasses as much as we can so that the damage to our eyes will be reduced. Especially we are interacting more on screen 8 to 10 hours, more than 10 hours. Yeah, there is a one course is going to come on Udemy, scenario based thing. And one course already recently added. If you go to our Udemy, 50 points by Ganesh Padala. In that I covered many scenarios. And in future, there is a dedicated course is going to come, scenario based questions. So errors wise, first of all, you take that error message. For example, M734, whatever error message, go to Google and see the error message details. So initially, based on the text and error information, SAP itself will give you certain kind of inputs. Whether you go to this customization or go to these details and all, you can find 40% of cases. Remaining cases, copy the error message and go to Google and paste that one. You may see certain kind of SCN blogs or even few kind of blogs from people like me. Okay, these kind of things you can get it. Sudeepa Shetty, please explain enhancement work in SAP MM. Yeah, if you take our complete Google Drive content, or if you go to Udemy, there is a course called Support Consultant, Roles and Responsibilities of Support Consultants, and Change Request by Ganesh Padala. In that, you will see that sample enhancements are explained. If you go to our blog, also there are sample change requests. Okay, so whatever topic, that's what I'm telling you. Like I cannot share each link. It's not required to share each link. For example, Sudeepa Shetty has asked one question: enhancement work in SAP MM. For that, go to Google or go to YouTube. Change request by Ganesh Padala, or enhancement by Ganesh Padala, or ABAP logic by Ganesh Padala. You search. There are few videos on YouTube. You will get it. And there is a dedicated complete course with multiple examples, 50 plus support issues and all available in our roles and responsibilities by Ganesh Padala. I have given the change request also. Either you can, 3, 4 examples are enough means you can go to YouTube. No, I want 50 support tickets and 10 plus change request and all. Then you can adopt our Udemy course, support consultant roles and responsibilities along with change request. Yeah, that's a Sushil, like a Sushil Sheikh, Suhail, Suhail Sheikh. You can explain that what a difference in SAP and Activate methodology with respect to process like blueprint, setup system, and the landscape, SAP landscape, and testing methodology. All are similar. If you watch carefully 2, 3 times about the video SAP methodology versus Activate methodology, you will get the required knowledge and required inputs for sure. Yes, in our Google Drive, if you whoever follows that MM Google Drive content, it contains all the information whichever you say in Udemy. Okay, for example, 50 plus support issues, or you can get that 10 plus change request and latest 50 points by Ganesh Padala. All those things are available. Yeah, yes, I have a certain queue like MRP Live and flexible workflow and more details about business partner and migration cockpit. There are some 4 or 5 topics are there. Maybe let's hope I'm trying to complete before June. But based on my current projects and all, let's see that when can I finish. But I'm planning to complete these 4 topics as early as possible. Thanks to all the members for joining. And this is a quick interaction to like just to understand, because if you see my journey of 9 years, if you see 30 to 40% of content at least was made based on the questions from the people. Remaining based on my plan and my regular learning in my company projects and whatever I learn, my self-learning and all. But 40% of content is based on the requirement from the our followers who are watching and all. And I want to mention that I hope whoever joined the live already subscribed. Around 23,000 or 22,000 people who are watching our videos have not yet subscribed. So I don't know what is exactly the reason behind that. You're watching the videos and not yet subscribed. If you have certain kind of inputs to make you to subscribe, please put a comment. I'm a person who wanted to learn and grow and help people. So I'll definitely take your inputs as a compliment or as an improvement, and I will make according to that. Yeah, thanks, Sauvik Karmakar. Nice that our new course has helped you, and I'm going to keep adding certain kind of points in that course. But I'm waiting for the feedback for the 50 points, so that my next 50 points I will add that value. That's why I not yet started the next 50 points, because I want to monitor for 1 to 2 months, at least 2 months, and listen the comments and any feedback. So based on that, I can make it. Because if I make with the same mindset of 50 points and next 50 points also, but if there are any valuable inputs from the people who are learning from the current 50 points, I will be missing. So I'm giving a gap of 2 3 months to listen more about you and then add into that. Yeah, that's like anyone wanted to learn the multiple kind of a thing, right? Okay, anyone want to learn next module, a new module and all, EWM or MM. If you go to our YouTube channel also, what are the new modules are required? Okay, uh, that kind of thing, you can check that one. What is the future of SAP MM consultant? There we are providing that multiple modules which are suitable for you. And it's not executive. You are a old student. I just referred whoever want, because I'm not available for any kind of live trainings and all. So I only can make content and share with people whenever I get a time. So sometimes anyone is asking for reference, I just try to refer. Yeah, thanks Pyle for joining. Thanks Balaj for joining. And please make sure the scenario-based examples, MM things. Yeah, the 50 points have covered a lot of scenarios, and even I'm planning for one more course dedicated for scenario-related things. Okay, let me ask a question. Thanks, Nagarjuna. Thanks, Manas. EWM book-wise, yeah, the physical copy-wise, you can follow Mr. C.K. Reddy. Okay, that book is nice. Okay, you can uh, purchase directly from him and keep it. It has the configurations and the process flows. Okay, you will get a good idea. But EWM is a like vast module with multiple functionalities. Definitely, you have to focus on understanding the business process. Why are you doing that one? What is the benefit of that? So those kind of knowledge definitely you have to focus. Avinash, yeah, when I see these kind of questions, I feel not sad, but I feel surprised and I feel why people are not following properly how many times I'm giving the inputs. For example, Avinash has asked one question. Please do one video on iDoc. The same thing, if you go to Google, iDoc videos by Ganesh Padala, you will find some 10 plus videos on YouTube and one dedicated course of 6 hours of course on Udemy. You're asking here means you're searching for me. Like I won't come to live once in a month, or once in a 2 months, once in a 3 months, right? You cannot wait until that. Take your question by Ganesh Padala, you search it. If it is available in any of our platform, we have only 3 platforms. One is YouTube, and second one is blog, public platforms, and Udemy. It's like a public and private based on your what kind of login you have. So please search in that way. There are multiple iDoc videos are there. Yes, Manas, it's security. Yeah. So please search and get utilized and keep learning and keep spreading the positive information. Whether you know about job opening, but you're not looking for any job, please share it. Someone will be helpful. I mentioned it multiple times also. 2017 July, my latest offer and latest interview also I can say. I think June end or July first week means almost 7.5 to 8 years. I never applied for any job, but I keep talking to recruiters. I keep asking information to my old students. I keep getting information from LinkedIn and sharing. It may be helpful for someone. I don't need it, but that information is going to help someone. But I might be sharing with too many people because of our thousands of followers. But you can share with at least tens of people. And even you can put a comment in any of our YouTube videos. I might publish that one. So intention is important to help more people, and opportunities will keep flowing. Okay, when it comes to opportunity, I want to tell one thing. Exactly 10 years before 2015, I was dreaming for at least 1 week business trip at on-site to any country. Like I was working for Germany, and yeah, mostly in Germany, I was working 14 to 15 times. In 15 onwards, I worked for APAC region, multiple countries. At least 1 week. And today, now I'm in New Zealand. This is my 5th trip to New Zealand, and keep cutting the opportunities. So when you grow, when you learn, when you have a good attitude and positive attitude, intention, learning, opportunities keep coming. So 2015, I was looking for the first on-site trip, and today I completed 10 countries. And because of repeated last 3-4 years, I've completed like New Zealand 5 times. So countries are getting repeated, or else the number would be even more. So knowledge and good attitude and helping nature. Okay, I don't need this document. So then you share it, someone will be helpful. Someone will get benefit out of it. Yeah, thanks again for joining. And any topic, iDoc or interview questions, SAP methodology, Activate methodology, or pricing procedure, subcontracting process, batch management, any process, any kind of a question by Ganesh Padala. Search in Google or YouTube. If there is a content is all available, it will come. Okay. Video for STO processing. Again, Vivek Sonavaran. STO, there are videos on our YouTube. And in Udemy, we have a dedicated course for STO and pricing procedure. Just search and find the relevant courses. Either it is available public on YouTube or in private in Udemy. You will get the link, and you can, for any private things, either you can enroll directly or you can send an email, so that whatever is available opportunities, available options, I can suggest you. Retail MM, I didn't make any videos for IS Retail MM. Search for any good kind of trainer and learn for that. It has more differences actually. DevOps, 9 years. Yeah, you can change, but please don't leave the current job. Either you are in a domain or either you are in other IT or anything. Please don't leave the current job. Spend 1 hour, 1.5 hour extra time to learn and practice, and go through the videos and practice. Keep practicing with your IDES system and question yourself, understand the business scenarios. So until you get opportunity, don't leave the current job, because when you have a 9 years or 10 years of experience, definitely have a family dependency. Okay, so that family means either your partner or kids. So you should not make your things complicated. Okay, I always mention that one. If you have 100,000, you try to buy some mobile of 30,000, 40,000. Okay, or else something like if you plan like that, don't go beyond that. It may not work for everyone. So 80 to 90% people have to suffer. So plan how is your financial status and what to learn, and never encourage backdoor jobs. Use that money for doing certification or buying Udemy courses or any other things, but don't spend money for the backdoor and all. It's a waste of time, waste of money, and unnecessarily you have to struggle a lot. Never believe anyone who is going to give you the job directly. Believe anyone who is giving you the knowledge, suggestions, guidance. Thanks again. And if you're closely follow our YouTube and WhatsApp channel, sets Ganesh SAP SCM. Anywhere, all these areas, you will get the sometimes free Udemy courses and lot of our old videos or existing videos and in new videos information you will get it. And keep sharing. If you are in a WhatsApp group or Telegram, anywhere, please share our video. Once in a month is enough because we have thousands of followers. You don't have to post every day. You just post every month first. Someone will post on 3rd, 5th. Then all groups, our videos are keep going. And you are not going to share any kind of a marketing information. It's a free video only, you share it. 1,000 plus free videos are available in our YouTube. Please share only free videos and help people to reach our content and help them to find our courses. Nagarjuna, what comment? Sir, at which module you have worked first? Is it MM? Yes. If you see my journey as a YouTuber and all, my first module SAP MM and then SAP WM. Now little bit SD and S4HANA procurement, these things. EWM, I have not yet worked as a project, but now we are starting the discussions and some involvement is started. But now I'm into the supply chain management, MM, WM, SD. WM or EWM is a similar modules. So I'm trying to do that end-to-end SCM process. Even now I came to New Zealand also for to understand the SCM workshop or giving training or anything and things like. Yeah, please don't leave the current jobs. I always suggest to all the members, never leave your current job and keep focusing on preparation and how you are planning your work and all. Thanks to all, keep learning, keep sharing our videos and good luck for your dreams in 2025, whether it is on-site dream or learning a new module or growing, anything you can plan. So yeah, so this is a memory from New Zealand. So yeah, so I'm going to visit a new city called Tarunga. On Tuesday we have a workshop and training, and this is my 5th time to New Zealand. Yeah, it's good to visit and travel, but settlement-wise, yeah, depends on the people and all, uh, because it's very far from India, right? So yeah, few people. It's a kind of US or Canada, very far, but it is into this the first country, right? You know who the time zone wise it's the first country. Okay, that's it. And thanks again. And please, whoever joined and whoever listening my words, share one video per month. One video is enough. Any WhatsApp group or Facebook or wherever you are. And bless me with your sharings and share with your inputs and share any kind of feedback which will be helpful, encourage me and improve our content. Thanks again to all of you. See you soon with one more interaction in coming months. Thank you. Thanks again.